Hey guys, Steve from Exclusive Wraps here. Today we're going to be installing some scrape armor on this 720S that we wrapped a couple of weeks back. Now as you can see, it's already taken a hit here. The underside of the bumper has been scraped, as the name implies. This is there to prevent that from happening. So I can show you with this piece here. It's effectively going to sit somewhere down there and cover up all those nasty scrapes and scratches and hopefully prevent any future ones. As you can see down here, there's quite a lot of parts that go into this kit. There are 4 pieces of scrape armor as well, which are here. There we go. So there's the 4 pieces. We've got a bunch of screws, some sealant, and a couple other bits and pieces. We'll go through the process now and get this on and show you how it's done. All right, so the next step, we're going to dry fit these parts just to make sure they fit in the correct spot, and then pre-drill some holes. So to do that, we're going to use the supplied double-sided tape, little foam pads, put it in a few areas on these pieces here, get it in position, and hopefully we'll hold it in place while I pre-drill some holes. Now that we've drilled the pilot holes, it's time to put some screws in. Alrighty guys, so I thought I'd be cheeky and try and skip the first step to speed things along a little bit, which involved removing a couple of screws out of the engine bay, not the engine bay, the frunk. I don't know if you can see in here. Come. These ones here, right? They hold on this thing here, under tray, along with another 19 screws here. Anyway, this needs to come down so that I can put a placeholder in this spot right here. Like a mounting screw bracket kind of thing. Anyway, long story short, don't skip steps, just makes things take longer. Anyway, back to it. Alrighty, so now that we've fitted all 4 of the panels on this car, we're going to seal the front edge using this silicone gasket essentially, and that will stop any stones and other debris getting caught in that front edge, creating a nice seal and just give it that nice factory looking finish. Alrighty guys, so that's how we install scrape armor. We've test fitted, we pre-drilled all the holes, we've put the pieces in place, and now we've sealed the leading edge to prevent any debris getting in there. And other than that, this car is pretty much ready to go and enjoy the road, and hopefully now it won't scrape under that front bumper anymore. See you on the next one.